In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect controllers to GTA San Andreas on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use controllers to play GTA San Andreas. Keep in mind that for this, we are going to be using Steam. Don't worry, even if you want to play the older version of the game, or if you don't own it on Steam, you will still be able to use this method. The reason why I recommend using Steam is because Steam has a feature called Steam Input. Steam Input will automatically detect and set up any controllers that you have. So go to your library. In here, find the definitive edition of San Andreas, or if you want to add the old one, just click on the option to add a game at the bottom left and then add a non-Steam game. Now, you will be able to browse to your PC. What you have to do is look for the GTA San Andreas executable, and you can add that executable to your Steam library. Now, I sadly don't have San Andreas installed on my PC at the moment, so I'm going to demonstrate the same process with GTA 5. So just follow these instructions and it will work for San Andreas. Right-click San Andreas if it is on your Steam library, or if you added it as a non-Steam game, right-click, Properties, and then go to Controller. All that you have to do is make sure that Steam Input is enabled. Now, assuming that your controller is connected to your PC over a Bluetooth connection wirelessly, through a dongle, or even with a cable, and you enabled Steam Input, you are good to go. If you run the game through Steam, the controller will be set up, ready to use. If you want to configure it additionally, go to Controller Configurator, and you will be able to change some options here. So you will be using the default layout, which should be enough to play, or you can edit every single button manually. You can also browse through community-made layouts, which might be better to play GTA San Andreas using a controller. But if all you want to do is play, just make sure that Steam Input is enabled, you connect the controller to your PC, and you launch the game using Steam. So click on the option to play through Steam, and your controller will be set up for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect controller to GTA San Andreas PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.